Hello.
I'm Wayne Lack.
I'm James Trivett.
And we're going to be doing lots of revision videos for you.
We are going to do quite a lot. We're going to try and cover all of chemistry, all of maths, all of biology, and all of physics.
Yes, so we're going to start off with this, just a short video, not much revision, but about revision.
Yeah.
Rather than actually doing revision.
Because when you revise, you should have a way of revising. It's not good just to read everything.
Yeah, you don't copy all your friends, because some things work differently for other people.
Yeah, so you've got to find your own way. Also, it brings on to books. You've got to have lots of different books.
You do. Now I have a bag.
There we go. And it has books in it.
It has books in it. I didn't just bring books for the hell of it, I wanted to show you.
Okay. So we have the three maths books. We're going to be covering AQA. We have these core books.
Core 1, Core 2, Stats.
Tell you books you're doing these syllabuses.
Edexcel Biology.
So it's that book. And chemistry, OCR. And physics, which is also OCR, in this book. But these aren't the only books we have.
My bag is still quite full.
It is quite full. When you have one book, it will have one way of explaining each thing, and it doesn't work for everybody. So they also have revision guides that they'll have for that syllabus as well, and other syllabuses. It's good to read over all of them when you get a good feed for different syllabuses. They do ask stuff in different ways, but it's all the same thing.
For example, if we go back a second, for biology we're doing Edexcel's version. Here I have the OCR revision guide,
Yeah.
but it's primarily exactly the same stuff in it, just explained in different ways. There might be the odd bit that's not in there,
Yeah.
and there might be the odd bit in our book that's not in this syllabus, but most of it is the same, so it's a good buy. I've got another OCR AS level biology book, so I've got more than one. This is A2 and AS. And then I've got the physics, biology and chemistry Edexcel book, even though physics and chemistry I've got OCR.
Oh, yes,
There's more. I've got Edexcel maths, and these are just OCR, but they're the old specification, just to prove that even though this is the old specification, all of the stuff is still pretty much the same.
They just change it to red sheeting,
and another physics book for OCR. It just goes to show you can have different exam boards to what you're doing, and different specifications.
And then past papers.
Now past papers are important. I've actually got over there on my iPad, saved in my iBooks, every single past paper for all of my exams.
That's a lot.
Since 2006 or something, so it's a lot of papers.
You should do them, because when you don't want it to be a shock when you get to the exam, see a paper for the first time and panic.
They say you should do every paper about twice before the exam.
It does sound like a lot, but it's quite important.
It's not a ridiculous ask.
No. And when you do your past papers, you should do a few things, like allocate a mark a minute for the work you do.
Like the marks, if there's they do it so that it is literally a mark a minute, so they'll give you an
hour
hour for 60 mark paper. So make sure you do that.
Yeah.
Also on the websites where you normally get your past papers is examiners' reports.
Yeah, and this will show you who struggled with what question and that sort of thing.
I find it quite a relief if I struggle with a question to find out, did everyone struggle with the question or is it just me?
And if you are the only person, you go, okay, I should work on this thing. So it's important to work on the things that you don't like more than the things you do like. It's not nice, but generally you like things because you're good at them.
Yes, make sure you practice everything. Also though, don't go too overboard with learning stuff you don't know and ignoring stuff you do know, otherwise you might forget the stuff you do know. Make sure you actually do everything.
You should cover everything. And that's what we're going to do.
That's what we're going to do over the next load of videos. I don't know how many.
I don't know how many. We're going to try and cover all of the course.
In the books we showed at the beginning,
yeah.
We've got OCR, Physics, Chemistry, Edexcel Biology and AQA Maths.
Yeah. So, let's crack on.
Let's crack on.